Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can clear your home feed in the Bluesky app really quickly. So let us dive into this. So start by launching the Bluesky application on your mobile device, for instance on your Android. And what you want to do in the next step is simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner and access your account settings here at the bottom. And inside your account settings, head over to Content and Media. And after that, select the uppermost option, which is called Manage Saved Feeds. And in the last step, guys, make sure that you unpin your pinned feeds below, for instance, the Discover category or under the Following category here to the right. So simply tap on that pin icon or button here and here as well. That is going to unpin these feeds. Confirm by tapping on Save here at the top. And as you can see, if I head back to my home feed, you will see that my home feed is cleared and empty so that I may start all over by discovering new content. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.